In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and use Dropbox for beginners. This video will be aimed at beginners who have never used Dropbox. Now, Dropbox is a great website that allows you to back up, manage, and share files, and I'm going to give you the overview of how you can use it. So what you need to do is go to dropbox.com. You can type this in your URL bar, or you can just go to Google, and once you're on Google, just search for Dropbox, and it should take you here to dropbox.com. Either way, you can come to this page and then sign up for free. Now, Dropbox do have many plans, but the most common one is going to be the free plan, and you can always upgrade later if you want to. So let's sign up for free, and no credit card is required to sign up. We can then enter in our email address and then continue. Alternatively, you can log in with your Google account as well. I'm going to enter in my email address, my full name and password, and then I'll meet you inside. So here I am in a fairly new Dropbox account. I have already used this Dropbox account. I signed into one that I already had just so I could show you. Now you can see that I've got some files in here already, but if you are creating a new account, then you will have a fresh Dropbox. Now looking to the left here, you've got all files, photos, you've got shared files, you can then add signatures, request files, and here you'll see your deleted files. Now what I would really start doing here is uploading some files, because it's great to use Dropbox as a way to back up your files. So if you want to back up some files, click upload or drop, and then you can choose if you want to upload a file, a folder with many other files inside, or you can upload and import from Google Drive. So whatever you want to do, you can obviously choose that. Now they also have a desktop app which will allow you to create a dedicated folder, which when you drag files in, it should already sync through Dropbox. I have made an individual video on that, so I'm not going to cover that in this video. We're just going to go over the basics. So I'm going to click here folder. That will then open my documents, my file explorer. From here we can choose a folder here to back up. So I'm going to upload this random folder here. I'm not too sure what it is exactly, but we'll just run with it and I'll show you how you can do it. So make sure you highlight the folder you want to upload, then click upload, and it will then upload that file and all of the files inside of the folder. So click upload. Now you can see here you've got your files uploading. So in this folder there are just PNG images as well as PSD files. These are Photoshop and image files. You can see the status of these files uploading. Now you can minimize this by clicking the arrow, and then obviously it will give you a time frame on how long it will take to upload. And you can see that they've appeared here on the all files section on the homepage. Now, I wouldn't really mess around and start sharing this or editing anything until they've been fully uploaded. If you do go to folders though, you will be able to see it here. So you can see we've got, in my case, Thailand pictures, which I could open and view all of the pictures in this folder. And you've got then the folder that I just uploaded, which I can click into, and it's then going to show me here the files that I've just uploaded. Now, obviously, you would need to wait for these files to upload. Now, if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you've got here how much memory you've got left. Now, on the free plan of Dropbox, you have 2 GB, which compared to Google Drive isn't that great. Google Drive gives you 15 GB, but if you do click it here, you can see what you can do. So you've got 2 GB of files. You can edit PDFs, sign documents. You can edit unlimited images and unlimited videos, but I wouldn't really choose to edit images or videos in Dropbox. I would only really use this as storage. Now let's pretend that everything was uploaded. If we now wanted to share this folder, which again we can access by going to folders on the left here, you click inside of the folder and then you will see a share folder button as well as a link. So if you click share folder, it's then going to open this window where you can go ahead and add people to this folder. This will create a shareable folder where people will be able to import and view other files which are in the folder. Or you can just simply get a link. So if you click copy link, it will generate a link to this folder, which is here. And then you can go and share this with someone. Now, first I will click on manage. And by doing that, you can edit who can control and view via this link. So here we've got the folder settings. If you want people to only be able to view this folder after clicking on the link, it says here, people with this link can edit. If you want people to be able to edit it, copy this link here on link for editing. If you want people just to be able to view it, then go to this tab and then click create link. And this will create a link just for viewing only. And then you can copy this link, and this link you can share with people and they'll just be able to view the folder. So whether you want people to be able to edit or view, you need to get a link from any of these two tabs here. Just bear that in mind when you're sharing stuff, because if you only want people to view your photos or files, you don't want to share with them the link for editing. You want to share with them the link for viewing. So here are the individual files. You can go ahead and double click on these and they will open. So here it is. And you can also share individual files as well. So if I just wanted to share this one file, I could click on it and we could just click share. And we could do the exact same thing. We could share it via a link or share to edit as well. So once these files have uploaded, I could basically use them, or I could just keep them backed up here. Obviously, they'll be stored in folders. Now, there isn't really much else to say or explain about Dropbox. You can edit signatures and add your signatures to PDFs and things like that. It works decently good, but I wouldn't really recommend it over other PDF editors. In my opinion, Google Drive is far superior to Dropbox, but if you do want to use Dropbox, it is there and it is an option. So I hope that quick video did help you out.